Teresa.
I'm David.
We have had a day. That last video you saw, we were up at 4:30 in the morning to pop down. It was sleeting, it was snowing, it was cold. It was going to get colder. It was snowing harder. So we got taking care of business. We popped down. We'll tell you the story later. Okay, here's the story. We woke up, we left Cimarron National Grassland, and we thought that we would only be driving separate for about 30 miles, but it turned out that we had to drive separate 4 to 5 hours through the panhandle of Oklahoma and northern Mexico. And this picture is what we drove mostly through until we got to Springer, New Mexico, and were able to get over to Taos. So I'm just going to show you here on the map where we were in southwestern Kansas at the Cimarron National Grassland. We drove separately through the Oklahoma Panhandle on Highway 64, and normally this route we thought would take us about 3 hours. It took us driving separate in the whiteout conditions 4 to 5 hours, and we went that way all the way until we got to Springer, New Mexico, and then we were able to go on Highway 64, and we got over those two mountain passes. We got to Eagle's Nest Lake, and then eventually we got to Taos and Pilar, New Mexico. The matter is, we made it to where we wanted to go. We're at Pilar Campground, just south of Taos, New Mexico. We're gonna give you a campground tour here in just a minute. We're back at Pilar Campground. Here is their fee station. Okay. RV sites are $15, camping $7 plus $3 for extra vehicle, half off if you have a senior pass. You pay it right there in that little Iron Ranger right there. Okay. They have a shower house, a bathroom that is warm with running water. Like I said, we have not decided if we're going to stay here yet or not, but we will see. They have trash.
Recycling.
They have a campground host. Okay, here's a site right here. That site right there was getting the brunt of the wind earlier. Number one. They have tent sites up there in the shelters. We cooked right here behind. Okay, but now that the wind is dying down, we're going to see if we're going to stay here. So we've decided to stay at Pilar Campground. We have a lot of privacy right here. We have some shrubbery over there that is going to protect our camper. And I don't know, I just like it here. David kind of thought he would have one bar of service down at the other place where the shower house is, but we decided to stay here. So people always ask me when we're out camping like this with no water, how do you take baths and showers? Well, I just found this little thing. I have tried it at home and it works great. We're going back into that heated bathroom and I will show you how it lathers up and stuff and see if you want to try it. They come in these squares, and I'm gonna cut that in half because that is still enough for one person. Half is enough. Actually, a quarter is enough, but I'm gonna cut it in half. All right, so we're in here in the bathroom, and it is so warm in here. Y'all can't imagine how warm it is. So I'm just gonna take my towel. I'm gonna go back there to the big stall. After I get this soapy, I'm taking all the clothes off. You aren't seeing that. And then after you lather up, you just dry with a towel. Okay, see how lathery that is? It is really nice. I do like it a lot. All right, I'm gonna go do my business and then I'll report back when I'm done. All right, we're back out here. Look at that, sun setting over there. Rio Grande River is over there. This campground is just awesome. Look at that over. I will finish showing you the rest of this campground tomorrow. Degrees. We stayed real warm last night in there. It was nice. We're heading back up to the visitor center. We're going to get our stamps. We're going to talk to the rangers, see what they think about. We got one more pass to get over there to Utah. So we're going to see what they think, if we should leave today or if we'll be safe doing that tomorrow morning. So that's what we're doing. And as we enter we're in New Mexico and we enter Utah, we're going to be saying names of towns that we cannot pronounce. So we're in that now. We're doing that now. We'll do the best we can. Well, we struck out at the visitor center. They're closed until 10. So we're driving down here and we found the rapids of the Rio Grande River. All right, friends, we got to put an end to this video. We just found out that a winter storm is coming tonight at 8. So we're rushing back to the camper so that we can pop down. We got to get over a mountain range before the storm hits tonight at 8. So we're shooting for Angel's Peak. We didn't get to spend nearly as much time here in Taos. We had a day planned of going up to the Rio Grande National Monument, getting some video of it and the campgrounds up there, but the Rio Grande Bridge, we had to skip it. Like we're hammering down. Anything else you want to add, Dave?
Nothing I can think of. Everything changed real fast when we found out about the weather forecast, where we was heading to tomorrow.
Yeah.
To beat the snow, we need to leave today.
Real quick. All right, if there's nothing else, America's beautiful. Get out and see it.
Like, subscribe if you want to.
We'll see you on the road.